Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Instagram SMS code not sending or receiving. All right, so there are a lot of videos or articles out there in Google or YouTube saying that, oh, we have 8 or 10 tips on how to fix this. But you only need to focus on two remedies to actually fix this issue. One of which is to make sure that your internet connection is okay. As you can see, we are connected to a Wi-Fi, and going to speedtest.net or downloading their speedtest app is a good way to check this. So let's check our internet connection to show you how it's done. So we open speedtest.net, as you can see, and just tap on go here in the middle, big button, and just let it run. As you can see, it's fine. It's actually pretty fast. And let's wait for it to finish the download. It's gonna also scan for the upload speed afterwards. So let it finish. And as you can see, we don't have any issues when it comes to our speed. So let's close this. The most important one after this is actually checking if the Instagram app on your phone has the permission it needs. So this is a very common mistake that most Instagram users commit, to deny permissions or to forget to allow such situations for the Instagram app. So for Android, to check this, to check your permissions, is just to press hold on the Instagram app. And as you can see, there's going to be something popping up. Again, as you can see, oh, okay, it's like so. And tap on app info. And you're going to be brought to the app info of the Instagram app on your phone. And as you can see, we need to go to permissions here in app settings under notifications. Just press permissions or tap permissions. And you're going to see the allowed and denied actions or permissions that your Instagram app has. As you can see, we have camera, location, microphone, storage, and telephone. But tapping on telephone, usually it's denied. People deny this unconsciously. So make sure that it is on allowed, so that once you need your SMS message to be sent to you, it's going to be allowed and you're going to be able to receive it. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.